Hey everyone, Miss Nelson here. I am taking a little time to go over Unit 4 and where our curriculum is and what you'll be teaching in that. So if you have a little bit, take some time and look at your P drive. Go to Southern Math 6th grade and then Unit 4, and you are going to find all our resources here. One of the first things that you can look at is your second 6 weeks lesson plan. Right now, we have everything filled out for the first 2 weeks. In the process of filling, and that's all of Unit 4. In the process of finishing the rest of this out to include also Unit 5. If you see over here, there are the whole entire unit laid out by days. So 6 Math, Unit 4, Day 1, and all the way through Day 10. The first day is going to be absolute value and its opposite. Then we're going to go into modeling adding integers and modeling subtracting integers. Then after that, we will start looking at them with their word problems and do a mixed review. Then jump into the next week modeling multiplying integers, dividing, and then we'll put them together, and then all of it together, and then we'll put a Unit 4 test at the end. So your resources are embedded down and underneath these folders. For your first day, in here you have your homeworks, you have your warm-ups, you have your notes, and then you have some activity or practice worksheet in each of these. So if you were to go in here, this is where you can find everything that you need. For the modeling days, so Day 2, Day 3, and Day 6 and Day 7, these lessons are scripted lessons, and you can see them in here. The way they work is things that you say and the outcomes that you should get from your students. We will be using a Notice and Wonders type of template to teach the add, subtract, multiply, divide of integers. So this is all I have for this video. I look forward to another one with Unit 5 and how to model integers. Thank you. Bye.